Knock, knock, you about to get cell shock. 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 That's the step. It stays this way forever. 6 stages in the world we can reduce whenever. Together my oaths 1 and 2 won't fail. You know I got interface just like a regular cell. DNA duplicates 2 is better. All the chromatins trying to get together. We all want to touch the spindle feather. Prophase DNA comes together like dough. Break the parts, call it chromosomes. In the metaphase, and I'm lining up slow. When we fall in line, know it's ready to go. Check the spindle fiber strapped to the DNA. All this twin DNA breaks apart up. You can call it anaphase. Knock, knock, you about to get cell shock. Knock, knock, we about to get cell shock. Knock, knock, you about to get cell shock. Knock, knock, you about to get cell shock. Intelliphase, ain't nothing that can come in between. Tightly packed DNA. Membranes from all around. It's just that, still all in one. Yeah, you know it, right? Our business is done. We start the last step. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it. Oh, no, we can't do it. We gotta start over. I was